Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to join a Discord voice chat on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. Now to join a voice chat, if you previously were linked between your PlayStation 5 and Discord, you do have to unlink it and then accept the new permissions, otherwise it will not work. So on the home screen here, let's go to Settings and then go on down to Users and Accounts. Now under here, there is a new section called Authorize Apps, and you can see Discord right here. So it says link for me. Let's simply go to Unlink now, and go to Yes, Unlink. Now let's go up to Linked Services, and go to the right, and go to Discord. And link your account under here, and go to Accept and Continue. Now under here it says link with Discord, head to this website, or you can scan the code. So on my phone now, I'm going to open up my photo mode. And then I'm going to hover over this code, and it should open this web page for me. So let's go to this. And Discord is opening up right now. And sometimes it won't initially go to where you need to authorize everything. So just simply scan it again. So let's go back to the photo mode. And then scan it one more time to see if it opens up. And here it is. It's popping open here. Let's scroll on down to the bottom and go to Authorize. And then we got it all set up. Okay, so I want to join a voice chat now. So let's go to Discord. So I'm on Discord right now, and I have it on my home screen here. Let's go to an open party chat. So here's one right here. Now let's join a voice chat channel. So let's go to voice channel here. Then if we use our thumb, we can scroll up from the bottom, and we can see these different options now. So you can see have join Xbox and then join PlayStation on the bottom here. So let's go to join PlayStation now, and then go to join call on PlayStation. Awesome. So it's transferring the call to my PlayStation 5, and I'm now connected. And at any point in time I want to disconnect, I do have an option to disconnect the call right there. Now it says I joined the voice chat on the top right. Let's press the PlayStation button and then go on over to the game base. And then I can scroll on down to my party and go to my join party right here. Now I can see Discord is located under here now. Now we will have similar options as we did under the normal party settings. So we can see our audio balance on top between the game volume and then the party volume. And then we have a speaker volume here if we want to go ahead and mute the voice chat. So you can see everything is muted. Then let's go to the three little dots. We can go to voice chat settings under here. We got the microphone volume level right here for our microphone. Mute game voice chat, share your voice, chat transcript, chat voice, chat connection, and about voice chat moderation. Then we have the option to leave. And if we go over another player's name, we can mute them or we can adjust the volume for their specific microphone. Then if we go up to the top here, we can go to Discord and we can switch to the game chat very easily. Then we do have an option to leave right here if we want to go ahead and leave the voice chat channel. So it's very easy to use Discord on your phone now. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.